Hello guys, how are you? So today we will be looking at this Meraki e-cycle which is from Frog brand. Actually the Frog has recently launched this Meraki cycle. This is the first ever e-cycle from this Meraki brand. So coming to this cycle which I have purchased it from Hyderabad from Manikanta Traders. Overall I should say the Manikanta Traders did a okay job but not a good job because the accessories they said they will provide was very cheap of quality and but let me tell you why I have decided to purchase this instead of Hero Electro. Hero Electro actually has I have just spent 5000 extra instead of Hero Electro so that I am getting a shock absorber and then dual disc, and then it is also coming with a key system for this cycle. That is why I have chosen this, and I'll tell you why I have not purchased this online, because like here it is 30,000 rupees and I thought I will get a very good accessories. That is why I went with the offline stores. So that is the reason I have purchased it offline. And apart from that, the cycle, let me come to the cycle. It has got a shock absorber. The shock absorber is provided for the namesake. If you see, this is the shock absorber. It is already greases are coming out, and you have a very good controller and a key system. So this is what you get with the front and back disc brake. I forgot to tell you, it has got a front and back disc brake, and there is no gear system in this cycle. If you want a gear system, then you should go to Hero Electro. That will give you a gear system, but it will cost you 2500 extra on if you go to if you purchase it from a store. So this is what the e-cycle is. This e-cycle you have to charge it for around 3 to 4 hours, and yeah, the range they say is 35 kilometers, but I have tested it is around 20 to 25 kilometers is what I get. Maybe because of my weight, I am 100 kilos, so maybe because of that it is giving 25 kilometers. That is what I suspect. And apart from that, the cycle is really good. I have tried it with this a lot of slopes, and then I have tried steep hill and climbing up a hill, steep hill. So it is doing fairly good job. But make sure cruise mode, I'm not really satisfied. Cruise mode or else the accelerator mode, I'm not really throttle mode. I'm not really satisfied with it because I don't get a proper response. But when I keep it in a high power, I'm able to do it. I'm able to do around 25 kilometers speed, and then high power. But high power will drain your battery very fast, very faster. So that is one thing which you need to note. And the wheel size is I am around 5.5. So the height is the cycle height is okay for me. It has got a BLDC motor, which is brushless motor, and they say it is a water resistant cycle. And to start this bike, actually you need to first switch on the key and then press and hold the power button for a long time, maybe some time, and then immediately it will go on low power mode, and you will see the battery which is going to get consumed for this low power mode. So then you can press the minus key to reduce the mode or increase the mode. I have increased. I usually ride it with the high mode, and that is why I am also getting only 25 kilometer range. So, but I am really satisfied with the high level mode. Uh, let's see, I will also provide you a proper review in my next video. In this video I have just unboxed it, I have tried it, and whatever I felt instantly, that is what I am sharing with you. So please subscribe it, and in case you like it, please share it with your friends. Okay, so it can children can easily ride it. So this is a beautiful water resistance controller which you get. compared to Hero Electro, this is looking good as well as pure fully covered, so I feel it's safe. And the brake levers are metal, so it is not plastic. The mudguard and bell and bottle holder is provided by the company. See, this is what the grease I'm talking about. It is just first day, immediately I see a lot of grease coming out. When I inquired about it, and as well as the front, what do you call, the fork is also little bit of shaky. So I'm not sure if it is with the brand. Right now I'm just trying to live with it. Let me tell you about my review in future stage. So come on guys, let's start the ride. See, as soon as you switch on, this is how you need to go on with the pedal assist. I like it with the pedal assist on high mode, so that I am able to ride it more or less in a city traffic. I'll be able to complete 25 kilometers speed and range. And see, right now I am pedaling with the high mode, and it is going like a scooty. The pedal is so smooth. If it is high mode, you just do that for the namesake. The pedaling is just done for the namesake, so nothing difficult about it. And even if you climb with the high mode, it will be like effortless. It's so easy, and I'll show you how it is when I climb with the pedal assist and without the pedal assist. I'll show you in this video. So you see this.
But this is with the battery.
When the battery is completely low, you will see this power light, the last light, it will keep blinking. So that means the battery is completely low, and maybe it will go for maybe another 1 or 2 kilometers. Actually, when it was blinking, I have tried tried up to 1 kilometer, and it did the overall fairly good job. And I did also climb a steep hill, so it did well. So guys, this is the charger which we received from the Meraki brand. So this is a two-pin plug charger. So what happens is it is like a 200 to 240 watts charger with 1.8 ampere. And I'll tell you about this charger. Like, please do not charge overnight, and because it will spoil the battery. That is what input I received from the store. And do not charge outside, like outdoor. It is not for outdoor charging, because like when I kept it in my car park with a little bit of sunlight, it became very hot. I'm unable to touch it. So coming to this charger, like initially it will be like in a solid red, and once you connect it to the cycle without cycle, initially it will be solid red, and then once the charge is complete, it automatically changes to green. The LED light changes to green. So keep that in mind. And apart from that, so far it is just 3 days I have tried charging, and they say it is I charge for 3 to 4 hours a day to complete full charge, and then this has around 2000 battery cycle, recharge cycle. That is what they said. And for one charge, I'm able to get around 3 to 25 kilometers range and 25 kilometer speed. One full charge, it will give me 25 kilometer range and 25 kilometer speed. And I have tried charging in the night and using it in the morning. So overall, it is able to manage 25 kilometers. That is what I should say. And this is the charging point for the cycle. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.